Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making a Torta Caprese. This is an Italian cake full of almonds and full of chocolate. And before we begin, I want to ask you to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you want to see more videos of me. So, let's start. Here we have all the ingredients we need today. Icing sugar, whole almonds, butter, eggs, baking powder, vanilla extract, dark chocolate, salt and ground almonds. In a food mixer, add the ground almonds and whole almonds together. Pulse until the whole almonds have been broken down but aren't fully turned into flour. Put it in a bowl and set aside. Next, separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Toss the egg yolks around to separate the egg whites. Do this for all your 4 eggs. In a bowl, add the softened butter and salt. Mix it with a hand mixer or stand mixer until it becomes fluffy and airy. Add all of the powdered sugar and let it snow like it's Christmas. Now grab a grater and grate in all of the chocolate. As you can see, the grater wasn't nice for my thumb, so I broke up with the grater and grabbed a knife instead. So cut all of the chocolate into small pieces and add it to the butter and sugar mixture. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, the baking powder, all of the egg yolks and the almond flour mix we made earlier. Mix everything until it has come together nicely. In a separate bowl, whisk up the egg whites until they are nice and airy. Add the egg whites to the other mixture and fold everything together. Try to keep in as much air as you can. Put the whole mixture in a prepared cake tin. And bake in a 175 degrees Celsius oven for around 40 minutes. The inside should be moist but not sticky. Let it cool down completely before dusting it with some icing sugar and cutting into it. Look how nice and moist the inside looks. And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. Let me know if you have any questions, because I will definitely answer them. And I'll see you in the next one.